This tutorial will show you how to set up your OBS so you can stream your content on Zoom. After you have set up your camera and any screens you wish to display, click Start Virtual Camera. When you open a meeting in Zoom, click the small arrow next to Video and select OBS Virtual Camera. This will stream the content from OBS directly into Zoom for participants to see. Please note that using the OBS Virtual Camera in Zoom does not output all audio. Zoom will only pick up your microphone. Using the OBS Virtual Camera may also cause your Zoom to lag. If you experience any issues using the virtual camera method or wish to share audio from OBS, we recommend installing NDI, which stands for Network Device Interface. You'll need the NDI plugin for OBS, as well as the NDI that will work between OBS and Zoom. Note that this will also allow you to output audio from your desktop. If you wish to install the NDI, view the step-by-step guides linked in the description below for both Mac and PC.